Hi loves, good afternoon. How are you guys doing? Please pardon my hair. The weather is so hot. The weather is so hot. Like my brain is frying up. The weather is so hot. I almost cannot breathe. The fan is on, but the weather is still so hot. So yeah, I went to um Woman Twist. Woman Twist. Yeah. To get a banana bread. My sister told me about these people yesterday, and I decided to try the banana bread because I do like banana bread a lot. Oh my god, this dog is crazy. Like I was saying, I had to make sure to try it out for myself. Like, if I don't try this bread, I will still be thinking about it. Like, I wouldn't stop thinking about it, so I had to go try it for myself. So I already had the coconut banana bread. This is the coconut banana bread. I don't know if you guys can see. It has a lot of coconuts in it. I had one. My best friend had one. I also got one for my sister. So yeah. So this is for my best friend. We actually went together. So this is hers. And this is mine. This is the Oreo one. I already had one coconut, like I said, for myself, and I got one for my sister. So this is my extra one. This is the Oreo one. It has a lot of Oreos in it. So this is the banana and Oreo. Let's see what it looks like. The coconut bread tastes so nice. I'm not even going to lie, like it tastes so nice. Mm, and so sweet. We also got food from the same place. So I got boiled plantain with vegetable sauce and turkey, and my best friend got jollof rice, turkey, plantain, and coleslaw. I haven't tried their food before, so I hope this tastes nice. I promise to do an unboxing of the SHEIN stuff that came in last week. So I have them here. I've been itching to open this, I promise you guys. So I have it here. But like I said, when it's too hot, I won't be able to put this on. Like I'm so hot, I'm sweating a lot. I won't be able to put this on, but I can show you guys. So let me show you. Move. Let's start with this one. So this is a two-piece. This is a two-piece. This is the second outfit. Oh, this is my favorite. It is skirt, or it's a two-shade colored skirt. It's a skirt because it has a short underneath. It has a short. Yeah, I like it so much. It's so pretty. Um, okay, this is another two-piece. I remember what it looks like because I love it. This is a white one. Very well. It's also a skirt because it has a short underneath, and this is what the top looks like. I don't know what this. Oh, I remember what this is. This is a dress for. This is what the design at the back looks like. So the back looks like. This is what the front looks like. Oops. This is what the front looks like. It has a short underneath, so This is the next one. This is also one of my favorites. Yeah, this is one of my favorites. Sorry, I'm hurrying this up because I have to go to my best friend's house. So yeah, this is a skirt. This is light blue. I don't know if this camera is getting the color of this stuff, and it's about to piss me off. Yeah, this is a skirt. So yeah, ooh, cute and pink. This is a romper like thing. This is a romper. It's short. It has this stretchy stuff at the back, and I like it. It's thick. I like the material. It's thick. I don't know if this camera is capturing this stuff very well, but that's the best I can do for now. Okay. This is the shorts. It's the front. I like the material. It's thick and it's stretchy. What next? This is everything. This cannot be 150 dollars. Okay. This is the face cap in white. I can try this on. Yeah, this is a face cap in white, and I like it. It's cute. Oh, okay. This is what's it called? This is the yoga socks. It's a 3-in-1. Oh my god, is this still capturing properly? This is the black, the purple, and the gray. See what it looks like. Is that all? How can this be all? Okay, yeah. So, my phone pack. Sorry, I already took out my phone pack. So my phone pack is also one of the items I got from SHEIN. I hope you guys can see this. But this is a very gorgeous phone pouch. So yeah, also from SHEIN. This is a very obvious one, so you'd already know what it's for. This is the bag. This is the bag. This is an ear plug. I think that ear and nose plug or something. Um, the cap. This. I know you already know what this is for. The expo for anyone guessing what I'll be trying. This is an expo. I can't lose everything I got. Something missing. So there is this. It's like a tape, a book tape or something. So that's it, basically. So this is basically all I got from SHEIN. I got a second phone pack, but I mean it's not here right now. I can't remember where I kept it. I think it's in my drawer. Yeah, I found my phone pack, the second one. This is what ooh, reflecting. This is what it looks like. It's very simple. What um I found this in the bag. I forgot that I got it. These little things, I have to take a picture and just put it on the screen somewhere. These little things are for your toes. Like if you wear shoes that are very tight or shoes that gives you blisters on your toes, this would help. I just saw it and I decided to try it out. I'm yet to try this. I'll let you guys know if this works. I have a very tight shoe. I don't even know, but I just got this. And then there is this. I don't think it's catching it. Oh, shit. So there is this. These are heel protectors for your shoes. You know those pencil shoes, the pencil heels that when you walk on interlocking floors, like they get in between the spaces there. They get in between the spaces in the interlocking floors and they pull off the what's it called? The base of your shoe. Yeah. And then when you start but then when you put on your shoes, you start hearing those sounds, those iron sounds. I don't know if I'm explaining this well, but this is supposed to protect your shoes from things like that. I'll take a picture and put it somewhere on the screen. So they come in different sizes for different shoes. I don't know if I explained that well, but when your shoe loses its base and when the iron used in making the shoe start like making that come sound when you're walking. Yeah. This would protect it. That's what I was told, so I had to get it. I have a shoe I love that thing happened to. Oopsie. And I trashed that shoe, but now I have this. Whenever I have problems like that, this is what I would run to. So yeah, these are essentials you can just have. These are essentials you can just have in your house in case of anything. Somebody's watching me. It's my anxiety. So I love this pouch. But that's all we have. I showed you guys everything I got off of SHEIN. So I just want to rest a little bit before heading to my friend's house. She's here, so she'll just take me to her house. And these are my cute jewelries. Cute jewelries. Somebody's watching me. It's my anxiety. Oof, that sound is rent free in my head. Oof. So, like I said, if you guys have hobby suggestions, please share with me. Share with me so I can have a shitload of options and know which ones to pick from, know which ones to go for. I don't want to have like limited options and all of that. So please, if you know other hobbies or you have other hobbies you would love to try, please share them with me so we can do things together. I mean, we can, share our experiences together and all of that. And if you are in Lagos, we can meet up and do these things together. So please share some hobby ideas with me you know of or the ones you personally would love to try out so that we can try it out together. Okay? Please. Thank you. Baby, that's true. Ooh, from here, don't be confused. The way is clear, and if you want it, you got it forever. Oh, this love won't last, baby. Oh, let the music take your mind. And just releasing you. Gonna fly away. Let you go my way. Oh, baby, I love it when we're cruising together. Hi guys, good afternoon. I just came on here to show you guys my new perfume. This is Paco Rabanne. I don't know if it's pronounced Rabanne or Rabanne. I don't know. But this is Paco Rabanne. A friend gifted this to me yesterday. So I want to show you guys. It has like a barcode you can scan. So yeah. I haven't had, I've never used Paco Rabanne perfumes before. So yeah. see. This looks like a mustache. This is what it looks like. It's actually very beautiful. This is a, I don't know. Huh. So this is what the bottle looks like. It has like a mustache. I don't know if it's a mustache or glasses. It's a shoe. But this is really nice. Ooh. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, this smells really nice. This is really nice. I like it a lot. So yeah, this is all we have. Or all I have. It's my to show you guys. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you. Please like, share, subscribe, and come join the family. See you in the next vlog. Bye.